Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for day 3 of my 12 days of Christmas series, I am making some white Christmas sangria, and I love this drink because you can make an alcoholic and a non-alcoholic version for my non-drinkers and for children. So if you want to see how to make this easy recipe, keep on watching. One thing I love about making my own beverage at home is that it is very simple to make and you can make it to your own liking and your own uniqueness. So I am starting with a bottle of Pinot Grigio. Use any brand of your liking. I am using this cheap $3 wine I found at the store, guaranteed to get you drunk. And then for my base, I am using white grape juice. So for our sparkling, I am giving you 2 options, Canada Dry and Club Soda. I like to use Canada Dry, but since Club Soda is widely used, I am using that for this video. And now for our fruits, I am using fresh fruit. So make sure all of your fruits are fresh. And I am using some cranberry. I am also adding some rosemary, and I just love the flavor rosemary, thyme, and mint add to any beverage that you make. And then some oranges. And then this part is optional, but you can add some pomegranate. And finally, for your apples, you can use any apples of your choice. You can use Gala, Honeycrisp apples, some Granny apple. It just depends on you. But slice up all of your fruits and just find a container you want to mix your drink in. So you can use a bowl, you can use a vase or a jar, but just add in all of your fruits. And one thing I love about this recipe is that you don't need a specific measurement. It just depends on your liking. So of course, the more serving size that you want, the more apples or fruits you're going to add because you wanted the drinks to be fully infused with all of the different fruits and the flavors. But just add all of your fruits to your container. And one thing I did is I love adding my oranges to the outskirt of my container that I'm using for my drink. It just adds this beautiful elegant design. And then once we're done, I am adding some sugar to my grape juice. So since I am using Club Soda and not Canada Dry for my recipe, I want to sweeten my drink a little. So just add some sugar and just make sure you shake it inside your grape juice until it is fully dissolved, and then add it to your jar or bowl. And finally, when we're done with that, we're going to go in and add in our wine. So one thing I like to do is whenever I make drinks, I like to let it sit for at least an hour in the refrigerator before serving, before I add any sparkling or any Club Soda or Canada Dry to the drink, because you want it to still be fizzy while you're serving it or when you're ready to drink it. So refrigerate it, and now after an hour, you can see almost the color change for the drink. Add your Club Soda, and that is it, guys. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button for more of my 12 days of Christmas series. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Bye.